Hello everyone, welcome to Sahib's Storytime. Hello everyone, welcome to Sahib's Storytime. Today's book will be Peppa Pig and the Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig tells Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig tell Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mummy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mummy Pig. They soon come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, growls Daddy Pig. Wow, says Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to see the bird. Binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They're eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mummy Pig. But Daddy Pig left the picnic in the car. My map was wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly, it starts to rain. It washed everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Says Mummy Pig. Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? Quack, quack. The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to the car. We're here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, says Peppa. I love picnics, laughs Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, quack, so do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch, munch. Everybody loves picnics, says Peppa. And they all have their picnic lunch. The end. Thank you for watching Sahib's Storytime, and if you subscribe, you're awesome.